it's your girl Queen Nikki from Traveling Young. I have another video for y'all. So I wouldn't be Queen Nikki if we didn't do a packing video, but this time we're going to do a pack with me and not like what to pack for your vacation. So my husband and I leave in 5 days for our Carnival cruise. We'll be gone a total of 9 days. Saturday we'll be in Miami, and then Sunday we head to the port to board the Carnival Celebration Cruise. So I decided to do a pack with me this time for my Carnival Cruise honeymoon vacation. Well, it is a honeymoon, not that. Honeymoon vacation. So I'm going to start off right now with my small bag. This is my bag for this is my carry-on bag. I'm only going to have like my large checked bag and then my personal bag. This bag is from Shein. Everything that I got new, I'll try and link below for you guys if I can remember where I got it from. But in the meantime, I'll tell you where I got it from. But this one is from Shein. My suitcase is pink. Everything is pink, so I just wanted to keep going with the pink bag. This is a carry-on size bag. It's like super easy to carry. And you can strap it onto your luggage, so it's easier to port through the airport, because it's like annoying going through the airport and holding a million bags and they're all like annoying. Okay, so in this bag is staying with me while we're in the airport. So I have a pair of socks in here. I have a tumbler cup that I'll be using for Miami for the cruise to fill up with water. So I just decided to bring that. My little shoes that I'll be wearing the entire duration of like my airport travel and traveling on from Miami to the cruise. I'll be wearing those. I have a mask in my bag just in case, you know, we're at the airport and people are coughing and stuff. I just want to make sure I have that. I have a change of clothes just in case I'm too hot once we land in Miami. I have in here 2 hand sanitizers, a lip gloss, our ring box, my Beats headphones, my sunnies, my blanket. I don't travel anywhere without my blanket, and the yellow folder. The yellow folder is super important because this has all of our documents to get onto the ship. Put it in this bag because this bag will stay with me the duration of my travels. So that has to stay with me. So I'm going to pack this bag up just in case I want to change my clothes once we get to the airport, because it is a little cold here in Michigan. So coming from the cold to the heat, like I'm definitely going to want to change my clothes. Okay, so now that this bag is packed up, I can go ahead and zip her up because I don't need anything else for my checked bag. Okay, so y'all, I did not believe in packing cubes at all. I used to see videos all the time with all these people with these packing cubes and stuff. I'm just like, what is the point? What is the purpose? Well, your girl broke down and got these packing cubes, and they are the best. I would encourage everybody to get packing cubes because it just makes it a lot easier for packing, for storage, and for you to know how much space you have and how much space you can like fill up in your bag. So I also got these from Shein. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, y'all, and 5. It came with 5 little cubes. So obviously in my larger cube, we're leaving in a couple days, so these are already packed for me, but I definitely will let you know what is inside of each cube. So obviously in the bigger cube, I packed all of my clothes. that I'll be wearing. I do have an overflow of clothes that'll be kind of laid out on the suitcase, but I definitely have all of my clothes that I'll be wearing the entire time we are on the cruise. A lot of it is kind of folded up, kind of small and everything, but obviously the bigger clothes are going to go into the bigger packing cube. So again, like I said, I already have this packed up. I kind of didn't want to take it back out, but I'll show you guys what it looks like once it goes into the suitcase. So my packing cubes, I think I'll put them maybe on this side because I do have like loose clothing that I kind of want to zip up. As you guys can tell, in this part of the suitcase, I do have all my heels in here. I think I have 3 pairs of heels, a pair of sandals, and then a laundry basket. I think this is DJ Dom's laundry basket or laundry bag. He can put his laundry in. Okay. And then I'm going to turn this back around. Sorry. This over here. This next bag, this has I kind of tried to organize everything. This is my swimsuit bag. So in my swimsuit bag, I obviously have my swimsuits, my swimsuit cover-ups. I have a fan in here, and I have those like cold wet towels, I guess, like snap towels. I have 2 of these in here because y'all, I'm sure those islands are going to be super hot. So I definitely wanted to make sure I had enough of those. And even if I don't use both of the towels, I can just give one to my husband. So the next larger one is going to go on this side, just like this. My next one is my pajamas. So I have multiple pair of pajamas in here. I have a robe in here because I don't really travel too many places without a robe. I have my Mrs. Sleep mask, which I think I'm just going to be taking like Instagram pictures in this because I really don't sleep in these. But I have multiple pair of pajamas in here, and I also have socks in there as well. So we're going to go ahead and close that up. These packing cubes just make it so much easier. Oh my god. I'm going to go ahead and put that one in there. My next biggest one is my underwears bag. I have to fill this out. We still have a couple more days, so I'm not going to fill this one up, but there are underwear in here. There's enough room for your bras, maybe workout clothes. Me, I don't need workout clothes. I don't work out. But this will go in here just like that. My next item, I think I want to put it in here just like this. This is just like my toiletry bag. And again, this was another thing that I really didn't believe in. Like, why do people really need to hang up their toiletries? But look at this, y'all. Look. It's easy. All you do is, like, hang it on the door and just, like, grab whatever you need. So down here, I have my soaps. I have some Lysol. I don't go anywhere without, like, little bottles of Lysol. I have our toothbrushes in here. And this part, I have multiple body washes, mouthwash, baby oil, deodorant, toothpaste, makeup remover wipes, and then I do at the top, because it is a small portion of here, I do have my jewelry that I'll be wearing on the cruise. And it's easy to just like fold up. Mine is like filled to the brim, but there are like Velcro parts right here. Mine is too filled, so we're going to stuff her in right there. And then I have my laundry bag. I think I got these from Myers a couple years ago, but I think they were like $1.75. They were not expensive. Yeah, they came from Myers. They were not expensive at all. I'm just going to throw that in my underwear bag, just because that's just the first one I'm looking at. Right. And then I'm going to stuff this down in between here. This little bag right here, I decided to use it as my sunglasses bag. Why? I don't know, but I have multiple pair of sunglasses in here. And I just thought this would be a cute bag to put them in. And I did kind of throw my setting spray in this bag. So roll it up and put that right on top, just like that. And I have a couple more bags. Okay, so this little bag right here, my lady in red, she hasn't shown up yet, which my cycle, she hasn't shown up yet, so I'm kind of nervous that she's going to show up while we're on the cruise. So I have my sanitary napkins in this bag. And if I need more while we're on the cruise ship, I can go to, I'm sure, one of the gift shops or one of the shops to get more. But this one is basically like air. And I can just stuff her right in there. Right there. This bag has been around a long time. This bag, I think I used this bag on my very first what to pack video. And it had different toiletries in here. This bag is my makeup bag. I was able to condense all of my makeup into this little bitty bag. I'm not going to open it because if I open it, everything's going to burst out. So we don't need that happening. So I'm just going to shove this right down in here. And my lashes. You can put those anywhere. Okay. So my next thing is I have my Morphe palette. I'm not going to open it up. I'll show it to you guys once we get on the cruise. But it's like a nude palette. So I thought this was good. It has like all nude colors in it. And it'll go with like all of my outfits. So I'll put that at the bottom. And then I do have one more thing to put in here that I don't want to get crushed. My bottle of wine. So when you guys travel on at least a Carnival cruise is what I understand, you can have one bottle per person in the cabin. So if it's me and my husband, each of us can have a bottle of wine, and it has to be 750 milliliters. So this size bottle of wine, I have one and my husband has one, and then that way it'll save us money on buying wine on the ship. We did also order a wine cover. Once that gets here, I'll kind of update you guys in one of the videos on once we're on our cruise and we're gonna open up the wine. I'll show you the little thing that will put this in, but it's like a case for your wine while you travel. It's like a hard outer shell. The inside of it has bubble wrap. You just put it inside and seal it up. Put it inside of your suitcase and it should not break at all. It's like untouchable basically. So once that arrives, I'll do like a separate video on that and how it traveled. Okay. So, I think that's all for this side. Okay, no. Okay, so I have my hat, just a cute little sun hat. Now, this is the part where I just start throwing stuff on top because it's not really in order at all anymore. Because I was able to get all of my packing cubes in here. My Mrs. Fan purse, I am going to take this. And my two fanny packs. This one is a little more dressier. And then this one's just like an everyday fanny pack. So we're just going to throw that inside of there. Just like that. And that is all that's going to go on this side of the suitcase. And then that way I can buckle her up. Make sure nothing falls out. My wine is obviously going to be a little more secure once her little cover comes. Okay, so now I'm able to just like flip this over, and then I have this whole space right here. So I have a pair of gym shoes just in case we do any excursions where I need gym shoes. I'll have, or like closed-toed shoes. I know for the I guess like the roller coaster or the what is it called?
Ropes course.
The ropes course, you definitely need closed-toed shoes. So if you plan on doing those things, or if you plan on doing a excursion where you need closed-toed shoes, make sure you don't forget those. Okay, and I have my swim shoes, so those are going to go at the bottom. And I have a pair of slippers. These are so like light, I can just like put them anywhere. Okay. And then right here, ooh, I have all of my dress up night outfits, or if I just want to dress up, they're all gonna go just like in here somewhere. They're just gonna be laid across. Some of them I have hangers. I still have the hangers, some of them I don't. There are hangers in your cabin, so I'm really not worried about the hangers. I think I should just take them all off the hangers. Right. And I have some long flowy dresses. Some of this stuff I may not even wear, but I'm an overpacker, so I would rather have too many than not enough. Dress for a dress up night. And then it's just like super easy because a lot of my dresses are long enough where I can just like fold them just like this. I don't have to worry about them getting wrinkled or anything. If so, there is an iron in the room, so I'll be ironing, I guess, if it gets wrinkled like this dress. Okay, so that is super simple. And then I have just some more loose items. And I kind of use every square inch. This outfit right here I'll be traveling in, so I'm just going to leave that out. And I just have some extra stuff just in case, and I just didn't have enough room. I'm definitely going to bring my Lions gear, y'all, because the Lions do play on Thanksgiving and we have to rep Detroit. And a cute little cover up. And I think that is all. Okay. Just have a few more extra pieces and then that's all. And my body spray and my scarf are the last two items that need to be put inside of my suitcase. But they won't be put inside my suitcase until the morning that we leave. Guys, don't forget your chargers, your passports, your photo ID, birth certificates. Don't forget any of that stuff. Whatever you guys need, make sure that you pack it up or you will not be able to board the ship. Okay, so now I'm able to zip this up. Everything in here should be safe and sound. And it should not be over, what is it, 25 pounds or 50 pounds or something? It should not be over that because the packing cubes actually make stuff a little bit lighter. Also, I just learned something from one of the YouTubers that I watch. She was saying that your packing cubes, if your suitcase is over the exceeded weight limit, and you have packing cubes, instead of you like being like so embarrassing standing at the counter like taking your clothes out and bras and underwears and clothes everywhere, if it's in a packing cube, you can take the packing cube out and carry that one, and that'll be like your personal item. Just FYI, I thought that was a good tip that she said. She was saying that sometimes she'll take it out and then just put it into her backpack, and it's just like a lot easier for her. So I just thought that was a good idea. But that is all. I have another mask just in case I may need it. But guys, that is all. Thank you guys so much for packing with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys are going on the carnival celebration, you see me or DJ Don, come over, say hi. We'll definitely be excited to meet you guys. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye.